Stop carrying gear that fails when you need it most. In 2026, the everyday carry landscape has shifted toward high-performance multi-tools and ultra-compact survival gear that actually fits your lifestyle. From the legendary Civivi mini titanium pry bar with its new MagnaCut steel blade to the game-changing Nitecore flashlight, we're counting down the 20 best EDC tools every professional and enthusiast needs this year. Whether you're looking for a minimalist wallet, a titanium pry bar, or the ultimate pocket knife upgrade, this list covers the trending EDC gear that balances DadOps utility with modern aesthetics. Let's dive into the must-have EDC essentials for 2026. Light up any situation with the Nitecore EDC Keychain flashlight, an essential tool for reliable illumination on the go. The Tiny 3 delivers a powerful 600 lumens with a 98-yard beam, perfect for everyday carry or emergency use. Multiple color, temperatures, warm, neutral, and cool white, adapt to your environment, while the smart OLED display shows brightness, battery, and runtime. USB-C rechargeable in 1.5 hours, it's lightweight, IP54 water-resistant, and impact-resistant, making it ideal for daily tasks, outdoor adventures, or nighttime emergencies. Keep your gear organized anywhere with the Gear Aid Heroclip, an essential 3-in-1 carabiner, clip, and hook. This versatile tool securely hangs bags, purses, lanterns, strollers, tools, helmets, water bottles, and more, holding up to 40 pounds with a rubber-tipped grip for extra stability. Its compact design nests the hook and clip together when not in use, making it easy to carry. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, the Heroclip is durable and reliable, perfect for camping, travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday organization. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Gtonster digital camera, an essential tool for teens and kids exploring photography. This FHD 4K 48 megapixel portable camera features anti-shake technology, 16x zoom, and 21 creative filters, ensuring clear, vibrant images and videos. The beauty filter and framing grid enhance selfies and group shots, while versatile shooting modes, motion detection, and slow-motion options make recording fun and easy. Complete with a 32GB card, a 2.8-inch screen, and a vlogging webcam function, it's perfect for travel, parties, school projects, and creative expression. Be ready for any quick fix with the Oknife Otacle pocket screwdriver, a 9-in-1 mini precision set essential for daily tasks and on-the-go repairs. Crafted from TC4 titanium alloy with a sandblasted finish, it offers a sleek, durable design. The set features premium S2 steel magnetic bits, 2 versatile magnetic bit holders for low and high torque applications, and a compact storage compartment with 4 double-ended bits and a pencil tip. Perfect for work, travel, or everyday use, it keeps 9 essential sizes accessible and organized. Experience crystal clear sound and calls with the Nothing Ear Super Wireless Earbuds, a must-have for anyone seeking immersive audio on the go. Featuring 45 decibels of smart hybrid ANC, these Bluetooth earbuds block unwanted noise while letting you switch to transparency mode when needed. The Super Mic system with 6 HD microphones ensures your voice is amplified and clear even in loud environments. With 12mm dynamic bass boost, high-res audio, dual-connect ANC, and seamless app customization, these earbuds deliver superior sound, perfect for calls, music, waltzing, and everyday use on iPhone or Android devices. Meet the ultimate everyday carry companion, the Civivi Mini Titanium Pry Bar. Designed by Auxtur, this 1.70-inch tie bar combines premium titanium strength with precise craftsmanship in a compact form. Perfectly sized for keychains, its oversized lanyard loop ensures easy portability. This versatile mini tool lets you scrape, pry, peel, and open with ease, making it indispensable for daily tasks or outdoor adventures. Durable, lightweight, and functional, The Civivi Mini Titanium Pry Bar is built to perform reliably wherever you go, backed by Civivi USA's responsive local support. Never run out of power when it matters most. The Ridge Magnetic Power Bank redefines portable charging with fast charging, MagSafe compatibility, a built-in cable, and wireless charging in a sleek 5-in-1 design. This portable charger power bank packs 10,000 mAh of intelligent power, delivering up to 3 full phone charges. With magnetic attachment, an integrated kickstand, an LED charge status indicator, and premium colors, it's perfect for travel, work days, and everyday carry, keeping your devices powered anytime, anywhere. Upgrade your everyday carry with smart simplicity. The Prometheus Light's Kappa EDC keychain is a secure and stylish pull-apart detachable keychain designed for speed and reliability. This quick-release keychain snaps on and off easily. Just twist or pull apart to split your keyring when needed. With no moving parts or magnets, it holds up to 10 pounds of force. Precision-grade construction with a canted coil spring makes it perfect for organizing keys, flashlights, and tools. Small drive, big performance. The Sandisk USB-C flash drive is essential for fast, convenient storage expansion on modern devices. With 256 GB of capacity and USB 3.2 Generation 1, it delivers up to 400 MB per second read speeds for quick file transfers. This USB Type-C plug-and-stay storage fits snugly for instant access on computers and tablets. The Extreme Fit design keeps data secure, while the Sandisk Memory Zone app helps back up, organize, and manage files effortlessly. One cable. Endless possibilities. The Native Union Belt Cable Duo is a must-have 5-foot ultra-strong braided universal charging cable designed for everyday life. Its 2-in-1 multi-device MFI certified connectors charge Lightning and Type-C devices with one cable, supporting high-speed power delivery up to 60 watts. Made with recycled materials, including recycled PT braiding and a bonded leather strap, it's durable, eco-friendly, and perfect for charging phones, tablets, and laptops at home or on the go. Small repairs should not turn into big frustrations. The Amazon Basics Electronics Screwdriver Set is a necessity for precise, safe, and efficient device maintenance at home or work. This 32-piece toolkit for repair and maintenance is a versatile repair tool designed for laptops, tablets, smartphones, eyeglasses, cameras, wristwatches, and more. The convenient magnetic tip improves screw control, while static-safe tweezers with ESD coating protect sensitive electronics. A flexible shaft design reaches tight spaces easily, ideal for tightening or loosening screws in electronics, laptops, and PCs. Running out of storage should never slow your creativity. The Move Speed external hard drive is a necessity for fast, reliable data on the go, wrapped in a cool look that stands out. This touchscreen, up to 10 gigabits per second portable SSD with USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, is compatible with iPhone, Windows, Mac, and more. The interactive touchscreen shows real-time transfer speeds up to 1050 megabytes per second, temperature, and power status. Its strong aluminum alloy body handles fieldwork with ease, ideal for storing, transferring, and recording 4K ProRes video directly from compatible iPhones. Still buying notebooks you fill once and toss? The Rocketbook Core. Reusable spiral notebook is a smart necessity for anyone who writes, plans, or sketches on a daily basis. This executive size 6x8.8 navy blue notebook features dotted pages, an app-connected design, an erasable surface, and a durable cover. Create, digitize, erase, and recreate using the Rocketbook app with cloud storage and the included Pilot Friction pen. Eco-friendly and portable, it's ideal for school, work, and creative projects where ideas never stop evolving. Mess shows up fast, and waiting on a full vacuum just slows you down. The Black+Decker handheld vacuum is a necessity for quick, everyday cleaning at home, and in your car. This portable, rechargeable car vacuum features strong suction powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. The 200-degree pivoting nozzle, extendable crevice tool, and flip-up brush handle tight spaces and debris with ease. Lightweight, cyclonic, and easy to empty, it's built for fast, hassle-free cleanup anywhere. Staying organized shouldn't slow your business down. The Mangoslab Nemonic label printer is a necessity for fast, clean, and professional labeling without ink or hassle. This inkless Bluetooth thermal label printer prints 1 to 4-inch labels, making it ideal for small businesses and organizations. With Bluetooth and USB connectivity, it works seamlessly with Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. The user-friendly app, 203 dpi resolution, long battery life, and durable, cost-effective design make it perfect for efficient labeling anywhere. A clean car makes every drive better. The Auxtur vacuum is a necessity for drivers who want powerful, convenient cleaning without bulky tools. Featuring a portable and foldable design with 17,000 pascals of strong suction, it delivers high-powered performance for deep car detailing. This dual-function vacuum and air blower easily removes dust, debris, and pet hair from tight spaces. Lightweight and fast-charging via Type-C, it's built for on-the-go use, making it ideal for automotive interior cleaning and everyday car care. Relief should be fast, effective, and easy to use. The Hyperice Venom wrap is a necessity for anyone dealing with pain, soreness, and inflammation. Providing advanced heat and vibration, the Venom 2 back uses hyperheat technology to warm up 6 times faster than a standard heating pad for instant comfort. With 3 heat levels, 3 vibration patterns, and app control, it supports warm-up and recovery. The lightweight neoprene wrap delivers targeted heat and vibration massage to loosen muscles and improve mobility anywhere. Cold rooms demand fast, safe, and intelligent warmth. The Flanur space heaters are a necessity for comfortable indoor heating at home or work. Designed for indoor use, this smart portable electric heater delivers 1,500-watt PTC ceramic safety heat with 4 modes, a built-in thermostat, and a 12-hour timer. With Wi-Fi and voice control via Alexa and Google Home, plus app control and an LED display, it offers quiet 36 decibel heating. Ideal for office, bedroom, and home use, it provides efficient, safe, and evenly distributed warmth. Forgot to thaw dinner? There's a smarter, faster way to get meals ready. The Alex et Bella defrosting tray is a necessity for busy kitchens that want safe, natural thawing without shortcuts. This frozen meat natural finish thawing plate is a fast and eco-friendly defrost board made from high-conductivity aluminum alloy with no electricity needed. It preserves flavor and nutrients while saving energy. With a sleek, natural finish, it is easy to clean and reuse. Perfect for defrosting steak, fish, chicken, pork, and other frozen foods. Wrinkles should never slow you down when time matters. The Electrolux Clothes Steamer is a necessity for keeping garments fresh and presentable without setting up an ironing board. This portable handheld fabric and garment steamer iron press wrinkle remover features a ceramic sole plate, ultra-fast 29-second heat up, and 1,500-watt power. It works on any fabric, from cotton to silk, with 18.5 minutes of continuous steaming. With a lint remover, fabric brush, adjustable steam levels, leak-free design, and Scandinavian Swedish design, it is ideal for refreshing clothes, curtains, and bedding. That's the breakdown of the top 20 EDC tools for 2026. Which of these everyday carry essentials are you adding to your pocket today? Let me know in the comments. We respond to every gear question. If you want to stay ahead of the latest tactical gear reviews and EDC gift guides, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices on all the multi-tools and flashlights featured today. Carry smart, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.